Welcome to another brand new video. What are metallic stearates? Metallic stearates are metal salts of stearic acid. This versatile compound act as a heat stabilizer, mold release agents and lubricant agents in plastic processing, rubber industry and more. To ensure the high quality of metallic stearates, it is essential to determine the free fatty acid content within. There are several methods available for testing free fatty acid content in metallic stearate. The most commonly used is acid-base titration. The free fatty acid content of metallic stearate can vary depending upon the quality of stearic acid used. The acid value of metallic stearate represents the amount of KOH needed to neutralize the free fatty acid in 1 gram of the sample. This value is often expressed as percentage of free fatty acid. If the free fatty acid content exceeds 3%, the metallic stearate is considered to be of poor quality. This can lead to various problems such as gassing when reacting with basic substances used in plastic processing, resulting in failure in electrical performance in cable insulation, weakened corner weld strength in window frame application, and plate out in the die and calibration. Step 1. Take a clean and dry conical flask. Weigh about 5 grams of metallic stearate sample into it. Step 2. Add 50 ml of neutral ethanol to the flask. Step 3. Add a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator, then titrate against 0.05 normal alcoholic sodium hydroxide solution. Titrate until a faint pink color persists for 30 seconds. Take note of burette reading. To calculate the percentage of free fatty acid, use the following formula: percentage of free fatty acid equals to burette reading into normality of sodium hydroxide solution into 28.4 divided by sample weight of metallic stearate. In general, the free fatty acid content of metallic stearate should be less than 0.5%. If it exceeds 3%, the metallic stearate is considered to be of poor quality. If you found this video helpful or fascinating, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Stay curious.